Hello YouTube creators, let me ask you this. How will it feel to finally crack the code on going viral? What if your next video could be the one that blows up your channel? Imagine the thrill of seeing your subscriber count skyrocket overnight. Well, today I'm going to share the tips and secrets that could make this dream a reality. If you have ever wondered why your videos don't get views, then stick around. In this video, I will show you how to make your videos go viral using these secret YouTube features. Let's start with number 1. Engaging thumbnails and captivating titles. How often do you scroll past videos without a second thought because their thumbnails just don't grab your attention? Compare these two thumbnails, A and B. Which one grabs your attention? I know you click on thumbnail B without hesitation. What if I told you that a simple tweak to your thumbnail could be the difference between 10 views and 1,000 views? That's right, thumbnails are more powerful than you think, and when paired with a great title, you are practically inviting the algorithm to recommend your video. But there is another thing. A great thumbnail but a poor title will leave your video in the trash can. Stay with me because up next I'm going to show you the right tool you can use to optimize your title. To optimize your video titles and descriptions using tools like Google Trends, vidIQ or TubeBuddy is essential for effective keyword research. Google Trends helps you identify what topics are currently popular, allowing you to align your content with trending searches. vidIQ or TubeBuddy, on the other hand, offers specific insights into YouTube search algorithms, helping you find high-performing keywords that can boost your video's visibility. By leveraging these tools, you can ensure your content reaches the right audience and increases your chances of going viral. Up next is descriptions and tags. Are you using your video descriptions to their full potential? Or are you just typing a few lines and calling it a day? What if I told you that optimizing your description and tags could be the secret weapon that gets your videos in front of thousands of new viewers? Imagine YouTube not only understanding exactly what your video is about but actively pushing it to people searching for the content. Sounds like a game changer, right? Come closer because we are just getting started. Sign up on ChatGPT. Prompt it to write a YouTube SEO friendly title and tags based on your topic. ChatGPT will write a good description while maintaining primary keywords in the first 150 characters of the description. Number 3 feature: using end screens, cards, and playlists. Let's talk about how to keep viewers on your channel and make them watch more of your videos. Are you just hoping they will stick around, or are you using YouTube's tool to make it happen? End screens and cards are like your secret weapon. They can turn someone who watches one video into someone who watches a bunch of videos. It might sound too good to be true, but with just a few clicks, you can easily double your watch time, and I will show you how. Take these steps to add end screen to your videos. Go to YouTube Studio and select content. Click on the video you want to edit. Choose end screen from the right-hand menu. Add element, either videos or playlist. Position and adjust the timing of the elements. Save your changes. The fourth thing to consider is community engagement. Do you think the algorithm favors random uploads or consistent content from creators who show up regularly? The truth is, consistency isn't just important, it's essential. But consistency alone isn't enough. Are you actively engaging with your community, or are you leaving your viewers hanging? What if I told you that interacting with your audience could be the key to unlocking more views and higher engagement? Stick around as I'm about to unveil the next feature that will make your videos go viral and gain more views, which will automatically lead to more subscribers. YouTube Shorts and retention strategies. What if I told you that YouTube Shorts are more powerful than you think? Are you taking advantage of this great feature on YouTube? And if you are not using them, you are missing out big time. Imagine going viral with just a 15-second clip. That sounds crazy, right? But it's happening every day, and it could happen to you too. But here is the secret. Getting views is great, but keeping them is even better. Are your viewers sticking around for the whole video, or are they clicking away after a few seconds? Retention is everything, and I'm about to reveal the strategies that will keep your audience glued to the screen from start to finish. Stick around because these final tips could be the difference between your video getting lost and getting viral. The sixth thing I am going to unveil to you, which is very, very important, is collaboration, trending topics, and subtitles. Here is a question for you. Why go it alone when you can collaborate and tap into someone's audience? Collaboration is like a fast track to growth. And the best part, it's a win-win for both creators. And let's talk trends. Creating timely content around what is trending can catapult your video into the spotlight. Imagine riding the wave of a trending challenge or topic and watching your views soar. That sounds pretty awesome. But wait, there is more. Are you adding subtitles to your videos? If not, you are missing out on reaching a global audience and boosting your videos to be discovered. So are you ready to take action and start using these YouTube features to their full potential? Don't just hope for your videos to go viral. Make it happen by applying what you've learned today. Remember, every view, every click, every second counts when it comes to catching the algorithm's attention. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. You don't want to miss out on more tips that could transform your channel. Drop a comment below with your favorite feature from today's video and let's start a conversation. I'll see you in the next video. Happy creating. But don't just go yet. Check out this video if you want to know how to go viral with shorts on YouTube.